Hello everybody, how you guys been doing, and welcome back to our channel, Tech World, where we post guide videos. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can log in and register for Barclays bank account using its app. Alright, so follow the step, which I'm going to be showing you. Just don't forget to hit the like and subscribe for a general tech world, and let's move on. And for those people who do not know what Barclays Bank is, Barclays is a British universal bank. And it supports consumer and small business through its retail banking service and large businesses and institutions through its corporate and investment banking services. Alright, so that's what Barclays Bank has done. Let me show you guys how we guys can use its app. So first step, download Barclays Bank from your Play Store and App Store and open it. And if Barclays Bank is not available in your Play Store or App Store, then basically it's not available in your country. Alright, once you're over here, wait for some time until it fully loads up. And then it's going to ask you to enter a 5-digit PIN code. It's basically asking you to create yourself a PIN code. Alright, so after you enter a 5-digit PIN code over here, let me enter my. After entering it is going to submit your information. And after this AP is going to open up. Now once you're over here, basically after entering the code, if you're new to Barclays, you can click on I'm new to Barclays in order to register for its bank accounts. You can click on it. And it's going to take it this registering page over here. You can click on apply for an account. And if you want to verify your identity, you can click on verify identity. But I would only suggest you to do this if it is necessary, because sometimes you don't have to verify your identity. But sometimes you have to verify your identity when you're applying for account. So first apply for an account and then verify your identity. Alright? And after you do that, you should be registered for Barclays Bank, bank account. And if you want to register for its app, then you can click on register for the app. Basically, over here, you need to enter a passcode. For us to create yourself a passcode first, and after you create the passcode, wait for some time, and after the passcode is created, it's going to take you to the registering page. Now once you're in this page, you need to accept its terms and service. So click on accept. Once you accept restaurants and service, click on yes if you want to. But if you don't want to, click on no without continue. Alright, and after over here, it's going to ask you to choose the account you'd like to register it. So you want to choose which type of account you have and Barclays and click on continue. And after you choose that, it's going to ask you to register with these things. You need these things over here to click on continue. And over here, click on yes. Now over here, you can choose whichever method you want to use. So if you want to use your card again, click on use my card. And over here you need to enter your card details like a debit card number over here. After you enter your debit card number over here like I'm doing, it's a 16-digit number. Click on next. And on the next step, it's going to ask you for some more information. But in that way you should be registered for its bank account. Alright. And in that way, you should be registered for his online banking account, right? And if you want to use the other step, you can click and use my other device. You can click on it and use your other device. Alright, and if you have like a loss or a missing card, you can also find a report over here, but that's basically how to use this app. If you found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Bye bye.